Hi guys, so today we're gonna solve our first weekly challenge, which titled What is Web? Okay, today the category for this weekly challenge is web exploitation. So let's go right there. Question. Say that someone told me that guy came up with the World Wide Web using HTML and stuff. Can you help me figure out what it is? So in the question they given us the link. This is, you can see here. This is the link to HTML, which you can go to. And we also got hint here. It says, how can you figure out how the web page is actually built? So maybe something related to the basic of the HTML. Yeah, of course. So you guys have to know about it. What is HTML? HTML is actually a hypertext markup language, HTML. So let's go to this link. Here it is. Okay, so as we can see here, we got some words here, and we don't care about this word. And let's try to click on this button. Yeah, we got some pop up here, which is like a notification. Hi there. So what concerns us actually is how we know about the flag. We want to search for a flag. It's not surprising that we don't see any flag here, because flag actually is hidden from us, whether it's been hidden elsewhere. And mostly when we learn about the HTML, we will learn about code, how to code. And this is not what we see. This is not the code. This is what is produced from the code. So how to look at the source code? So first, you have to know to look at the tools. This is the web, and you search for the web developer tools like inspector, yeah, this one, for Firefox, this one. So you can also just click on F12. This shortcut is also the same with the Chrome web browser. And as you can see here, we got two sections of this HTML, which is head and body. We got two. So basically HTML got two sections, and we can try to expand all of it. Right click on it, expand. As you can see, got some CSS file here, and also got some source code here. Voila! So as you can see, you can find it. This is the first flag for our question, and this is actually why this is not visible to the web page we've seen before. Actually, this is the special about the HTML. Most of the code is not visible to us, especially when it is enclosed in angle bracket like commentary and also tag. Yeah, this is tag. But for hard-coded text like this, it is visible. You can highlight it here, see? So it got highlighted once I move my cursor over the words. But when I move my cursor to the tagging like image or BR, so it doesn't appear anything, just show some alignment there. For this one, see, also got image there, which is this one. And for this like commentary also didn't appear in the web page. So this is the first part of the flag. So they say about three more. They got two more. So this is first part of the three. And where's the second one? Actually, in the HTML, you can also have a CSS file which will define your style or your formatting for design, which is SSS. So it is interesting because this one, it doesn't refer to the other directory. Usually when it is referred to other directory, it will gonna have something like slash or dot slash also. So it means you go to another directory, or maybe you can see like slash files, which is mean in another folder inside our directory, but another folder inside. It's the same path, but in the directory called or file called directory called file. But for those for directory that is outside from our directory, usually they will go say like move forward move up to one directory, and means actually out from your our current directory, out from our URL. So usually in web page they are restricted some of the path, which if this path not defined, is not there's some special path that it won't allow you to access. Depends on the admin lah, depends on the configuration of the web page. So this is interesting. So it's our work, which means we just copy this one. Okay, and then since it is actually in the same directory, file located plain text, so you just delete this file, the HTML, and then just put it here. Okay, you can see here. So this is all the file here. You can see this is define all the styles being used, as it is a CSS file. You can see graphical, island scale, and you can scroll it all down, and it's very too much for you. First thing you have to do is search. I already saw the flag in the first time, so I hope you already saw it. If you don't see it, don't see it. So actually it is located here. But for those that cannot see, it's better for you. You must do our easy way first, which is you can Control F and find for the anything that can give us clue about the flag. For our flag format, usually like say let's do it, right? So it can be highlighted here. Yeah, we already found it located here, so it's easy for us. But sometimes we are human. We cannot. We don't realize that we missed the clue. And this also this search function, find function, also useful for us to get a hint about where is the flag. Sometimes the flag is already there, but you cannot understand it because it is encrypted. So when you submit it into the answering platform, it will not result in the correct answer. So that will be quite a challenge for you to decode that. You have to figure out, yeah, because some challenges they will make it, they will separate the file, will break the file into several parts. But usually, if it is flag, it will be grouped as one. I mean, even though these actually have different parts, but it also will be grouped in one. It will not be. It depends on the question. Easy to say, it depends on the question. So this is our second flag. Hope you understand that. Okay, so next, go back to our main page. So open our source code. Okay, so where is the third flag? You can search all of it. So the third flag actually hidden here in this JavaScript file. This is a file which import the script.js, which is a file that will run a kind of script for validation, or for usually for like this one for this button. Depends on the code of the web page. So the third one actually located here, and also you can see this file also in the same path, the same location as this HTML file. So we can just overwrite this one. Okay, here. Can you see? So I already got here. Let's do it now. So the final part of that is here. But sometimes, okay, this actually want to told you that even though there's a lot of file there, we will need to examine it. This is a very easy one, since we don't actually do the most complex. We don't do any hiding here. We just hide it in plain text. Usually in the question, they also can have some function here that import some file which is contain password or encrypted password. So you have to somehow to take advantage of that thing and do some exploit to get the actual flag. So this concludes our weekly challenge. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.